Californian is over there. And here is Paradise Pier. And then the Disneyland Hotel is just right over there. Yay, the Disneyland Hotel! Oh, so happy. We're home. Look guys, they have these large buttons that you can take pictures with. They have a happy birthday one. I'm celebrating. So cute. How cute are the teacups? All right, here is our room number 2917. What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you our room here at the happiest hotel in the world, aka the Disneyland Hotel. Alright, so the first thing that you see when you enter your room is another door. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ta-da! Here is your closet. So at the top is where we can find extra bedding. We've got 2 robes for you to use while you're here at the resort. And they do say Disneyland Hotel. We've got several hangers, an ironing board back there, an iron. We've got a built-in safe, a luggage rack, and then information about guest laundry and dry cleaning. Alright, so next to our closet here, we've got this full-length mirror. That way you can check yourself out before you head over to the parks. And behind this door is the bathroom. It's very roomy. So on the left, we've got the toilet and this cute picture of Dumbo. And here we've got our toiletries. So we've got some facial soap. We've also got body wash, body lotion, a shower cap, shampoo, and conditioner. I just love the detailing here in this bathroom. For example, we've got some Mickey heads as part of the sink handles. Down below is where we can find our tissue, a hair dryer, extra towels, a trash can, body soap, and here is our shower tub combo. Another Mickey handle. Ah, so cool. Alright, so next to the bathroom is this area here. We've got a nice large mirror, and we've also got a built-in table. This is another great spot where you can get ready at. Alright, so we've made it to the main part of our room, but before I show you the beds, let's take a look and see what's on this side of the wall first. So on the left is where we find our table and chair. My favorite part here is, of course, the Mickey lamp. We've got an Ethernet port, 3 outlets, and then we've also got this book about the Disneyland Hotel. This is where you can find information about room service, all the restaurants and entertainment, that sort of stuff. And next to this area is our armoire. So we've got a nice flat screen TV built into it. We've got our coffee tea station. So the tea that we have is by Twinings. And then we've got Joffrey's coffee. Here is also where you can find the ice bucket and some glassware. And then we've got 3 large roomy drawers. So you can fit lots of clothes in here. Over there is a nice plush chair. And behind this cabinet is the mini fridge. So let me open it up so you can see what kind of space you're working with. Notice that there is no built-in freezer. It's just a fridge. All right, let's take a look at what kind of view we're working with. One of my favorite things about the Disneyland Hotel is that we've got these nice large windows. We are actually facing the front of the Disneyland Hotel. And so let me just pan it so you can see what else you can see from this room. Sorry, not a theme park view, but still nice. So I don't think most people care about carpet, but this carpet is so beautiful that I wanted to share it with you guys. And now for the moment you all have been waiting for, let's take a look at the beds. So we've got 2 queen size beds here, and I love this detail here. It says, "A dream is a wish your heart makes." And now I'm gonna pan over to the other bed, and it finishes off with, "When you're fast asleep." In the middle is where we can find our shared nightstand. And then my favorite part of this room is the headboard. So we've got the Disneyland castle etched into the wood. We've got built-in lamps on each end of the headboard. And alongside this wall here is my favorite picture of Mr. Walt Disney himself, right behind the Sleeping Beauty castle. So on the nightstand we've got this lamp, and then you'll notice that there's a button with Tinkerbell next to it. Wasn't that so magical? I love listening to the music and seeing the headboard come to life with all the lights turning on. Please comment down below what questions you have about the Disneyland Hotel or Disneyland in general. I'd also love to hear your comments on what you thought of this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to me already, I invite you to do so. See you guys again real soon.